This clip shows how to buy shares of China Everbright Bank Company Limited. The bank is listed on HKEX under the ticker 6818. HK. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy stocks, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 6818 HK to find China Everbright Bank. Select the matching HKEX listing to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart for context. Confirm the listing name and ticker 6818 HK to be sure you are on the correct stock page. To place a buy order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio view. If you want to follow the example, the eToro link is available in the video description.